All right. Welcome, everybody, to our live session on cryptocurrencies and how to make money. So, we are talking today about Bitcoin and how Bitcoin is, well, it's at the line. It has been there for a while. So, I'm going to share with you guys what's going on. So, well, we have kind of gone up a little bit, but not much. And so, the big question is this support going to hold? It's been holding so far, right? We've touched it 4 times, and I don't know if it's going to go up or it's going to go down to retest it. But one thing that is important to realize is that the more times that we are testing that support, right, as the more risk. So let's hope that it holds. It is strong support as we can see, and that's where we are right now. We are literally testing support and holding it. It's kind of like holding a line, right? We have to hold it. The bulls have to hold it if we're going to go forward and go up, right? So that's where we are right now. And yeah, so not a whole lot more to report to you, but that's what's going on.
I hate it when there's not a lot going on in Bitcoin and then there's not a lot to talk about with Bitcoin. But as you're right, as you said, it's holding support. And so let's see
Yeah.
what happens. Yeah.
Yeah, and I mean, I could share with you this one too. It's you could see clearly it's holding like support many times. So and that one's a more macro like level over the long term, right? Like you've had many times holding the support and it has not broke like we said it might. That has not happened. And the other thing that's quite encouraging with Bitcoin is that we are definitely getting a upward trend here, as you can see, right? And so it is definitely going up. And whereas before you could see it was clearly going down, right? And on the RSI was clearly going down, and we broke out of that, right? You can see we're out and we're going up. So that is definitely bullish indicator as far as I'm concerned. And yeah, like usually if that happens and you break that line, it's bullish, no doubt about it. And so that's where we are. The RSI, this is called RSI, and we're looking at the 4-hour candles, which is really the best way to look at it. We've been below as well. We have been below the 30 RSI like a few times. So the fact that we've found it looks to me like if this was a normal time, I would say we found the bottom. Okay, so now we're going to go up. And we're going to go up above at least to the top of the RSI. So that means we can make money going up, right? So that's what I would usually say. But there's so many variables right now. We just have to be patient and wait to see. So again, yesterday I explained to people that for me, I'm, in. I actually bought more today, a lot more. So I'm too cash like positive. We talked about 40,000 being a good price, right? So I just decided to buy in and just I don't want to miss this opportunity, so I bought in. Yeah, more cash. Still cash positive, but I spent more cash buying today, taking the risk that we're gonna bounce. The indicators say we're gonna bounce. The support says we're gonna bounce. Doesn't mean I'm right, but that's what the indicator says. That's what the logic says.
Well, again, we talked yesterday about fair market price, and we talked about how there's a zone of fair market value, and Bitcoin's in that right now. So, if you're viewing Bitcoin for the long term, then of course these are great times to buy. If you're a short-term trader, then obviously you got to pay more attention to these things, especially the stuff Michael is saying. But these are still good prices. By the way, this is not financial advice. You got to do your own research on your own investments.
Yeah. Listen, I mean, it's not good to be a short-term trader right now, in my opinion. Right? I've done that. There's a time to do that, and that's during the bull run. During this time, it's not. You want to think long-term, not short-term, for sure, because there's too much risk that it could break the like support. Now, I'm not saying you don't buy, but for sure, we're getting good deals. We're getting a fair value, at least I would say that. And some of the altcoins, really good deals. I just bought some more cake. I'm buying cake every day now, every day. Just buy cake, a lot of cake, and I just going to stake it for like 63%. You know, of course, we have our own like staking coin as well, which does 2.041 like percent. If you haven't heard of that, I would definitely go for that soon. But yeah, and for that one, I just quickly share with you. If you want to learn about it, go to dogejet.exchange. And that's probably the best staking coin in the world because your investment can double every 36 days. So that's very hard to beat. And you know, I invest. Of course, I'm involved in this like project, but I invest in a lot of staking coins, and there's nothing that comes close to that. So this is really really good coin. Check it out if you want to stake your coins and make the maximum like profit. That's where to go, and definitely recommend that. Yeah. So yeah,
Excellent.
all right. Yeah, I just finished the AMA session. I'll put a post on that today where the person bought this coin 3 times. Two guys during the live, they bought the coin 3 times. And I was thinking to myself, well, why did you buy it 3 times? They said, this is a really good investment. I trust you guys. You guys are like the real thing. I bought Metagold as well. And, you know, when the hack like happened, you took care of that. You made sure that it went back up. And it says, you know, I had a good experience with you guys, so I bought in this coin 3 times. Then this other guy bought another $2,000 like dollars, and I said, "Hey, are you on the line?" He says, "Yeah, I'm here." I said, "Okay, is this the first time, or did you buy like 2 or 3 times?" No, I says, "I bought 4 times." What? You bought 4 times? Why did you buy again? He says, "This is a really good like project, and I see this is going to go up." So just sharing that because I think it's a great opportunity to get in this cryptocurrency that is hot. And it's only 1 million market cap right now. And that can be very good.
Yeah.
That can be very good, right? Because like if you're trying to grow $1 trillion coin like Bitcoin, we've seen it's very hard when you get in that $60,000-$70,000 range. I think we will break through at some point and get to the 100,000. But you know, growing a 1 million versus a $1 trillion coin, it's very different. It's much easier to 10x a 1 million to 10 like million than it is to bring a $1 trillion coin to 10 trillion. So people need to understand that. Yes, Bitcoin is the king, but it's kind of slow. It's kind of like a turtle, whereas Dogejet is like the rabbit. You know, it's fast and it's quick, right? And it gets results and it gives you high staking rewards. So you can buy the turtle, you can buy the like rabbit. Now somebody say the turtle in the story beats the like rabbit. Perhaps in the long term that might be true, but in the short term, the rabbit is much faster. So, and people in crypto want short-term result as well. They want fast like result. We're talking, you know, in the next. Well, as we say, right, this coin, I don't know if you know, but for those of you like watching, this coin can double your investment every 36 days. So that's very fast. That is incredible. Okay. So people are very happy with that. And, you know, it's great. Every day you're like, oh yeah, I just made a lot of money. It's a nice feeling. So,
It's a lot of fun. Yeah, people are really enjoying it, and it's a fun project for sure. In your portfolio, whether it's in crypto or non-crypto, of course you're going to have a diversified portfolio, and that's gonna include some. You know, in the stock market, blue chip stocks, right, that are usually pretty stable, although it's hard to even say usual anymore. And you're going to have medium risk and high risk, and crypto is maybe all, you know, medium to high risk, right, in the crypto
yeah,
market because
sure.
it's so volatile. But at the same time, you're going to have a similar strategy there. You're going to diversify your portfolio, but where you can make some of the biggest gains is when you find altcoins that are just starting out that are great projects. Now, it's always hard to
True.
know, like, well, what's a great project? You got to do your homework. But Dogejet is a great project. We think so, and a lot of people think so. And it's just in the infancy. I mean, literally, I think we're in day 4. I think this is the 4th day of Dogejet. So
Yeah.
talk about early. Early is right now.
Yeah. Very good opportunity, guys. Go have a read through that. I'll leave a web link in the comment description. So go and check that out if you're interested in doubling your investment every 36 days, I think that would be a good opportunity for those of you who are interested to high staking like rewards with a medium risk. You know, I think it's a medium risk because you're getting in early into this coin. So it's very good. Like I said, you know, it's only going to grow from here. 4 days old. That's very young, right? So, all right, let's
For
get,
sure.
that's pretty much all we have for you today. James, any final message here?
No, other than enjoy your weekend. We know it's a holiday weekend right now. Enjoy your weekend. Have some fun. Get some time with your family, and happy trading with your crypto.
All right, everybody. See you next time. Bye
See
for
ya.
now.